not feel it right away, when you've been in a car accident, your muscles, tendons, and ligaments are injured. Your body begins healing by producing swelling and scar tissue. When enough swelling and scar tissue is built up, then you'll start to feel the pain and tightness of the injured tissues. Now, there are 3 characteristics of scar tissue you should know about. Number 1, scar tissue is weaker, meaning it wouldn't take very much to make things a lot worse for you. 2, scar tissue is less flexible, so you'll have less mobility. And number 3, scar tissue is more painful. You'll notice that tissues are tender to the touch and normal movements are tight and painful. If you've been involved in a car accident, we can help. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.